Hey, this is Sebastian, SocialAnxietySolutions.com, and welcome to Testimonials Tuesday. Here I'm going to give you a bit of a comment that was made under a YouTube video, and it goes like this. It's by Goran. Every time when I apply this technique, he refers to EFT tapping, I feel lighter, emotionally more stable, and I notice that during tapping I just breathe out a couple of times. I feel like I breathe out stress and negativity. I feel it every single time. I feel a strange emotion inside of me and I just breathe it out. It feels good. This works. Thanks, Seb. There you have it. Under 1 minute. All right, hope this helped you. Go check out EFT Tapping. Go check out my channel. Listen to the earlier podcast where I interview psychologists, psychiatrists, doctors, best-selling authors, PhD researchers, you name it. So go check it out. And if you want to get a free course on how to use tapping to overcome your social anxiety, learn the basics, go to my website, go to SocialAnxietySolutions.com. All right, I'll look forward to connecting with you soon. Bye for now.